Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to change app icons in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, press and hold on any app and then click on Edit Home Screen. And on top you can see the option Edit. Then simply click on Edit, and in second you can see the option Customize. Click on Customize, and here you can see the options, and if you can select large, then your icon will be large. And here you can select light, then dark mode, and here you can select automatic, and here you can tinted. Here you can select any color of your icon. And so this is the way to change app icons in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.